Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Weston back again. Happy New Year to you. It's 2020. If it's your first time here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Got some good things in store for you today. Something I'm really excited about. My last pickup of the decade. And when I tell you, it is a solid pickup. Can't wait to show you guys. If it's your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any drops. And with that, let's get started. Yes, this is the Cars and Kicks exclusive Pixel Apparel hoodie featuring glow-in-the-dark embroidery and shoelaces. Now make sure you're following my clothing brand page, Pixel Apparel, and my personal page to know when they go online next week. We had a couple remainders, so of course we're gonna make them available to you. So stay tuned and make sure you check the link in the description down below. But without further ado, let's get into this unboxing.
What's in the box?
So today we're unboxing the Yeezy 700 V3 Azale colorway. Now, Azale has a Hebrew origin and is translated to Made of God. Kanye just released a gospel album. These shoes tie directly into his lifestyle right now. First thing as I noticed about the shoe was that the shoe is a lot lighter than it looks. Has a breathable slit under this glowing cage, which at first glance the cage doesn't look like it should glow at all. But once it actually absorbs some light, this thing glows. So whatever they're doing at Adidas is pretty dope. I'm a really big fan of the blue highlights, his blue colorway that he's been putting a lot of emphasis on, which is reflected in his album covers for both Jesus is King and his Sunday service choirs, Jesus is Born. So for those of you who watched my previous video on my upcoming event, Cars and Kicks has come and gone, and it was a success for Pixel Apparel. It was an awesome event. They really brought out the cars. Ferrari 458, a fleet of RX-7s, including my best friend's RX-7, which was V8 swapped, but it's still dope though. Black Widow Supra, new Toyota Supra, R34 Skyline GTR, Lamborghini Murcielagos, and so much more. I'll leave the link down for their video below. Although you can't really see me though. But I'm in there. Somewhere. Just gotta look in the background. I had the opportunity to meet a lot of dope people and I was glad to be a part of it. Looking forward to the next Cars and Kicks because I definitely love the concept. Because typically, car people are shoe people and sneaker people are car people. It was my first time setting up a booth of any kind. Let me tell you, that was a lot more difficult than I thought it was going to be. But I made it through and I think it was a success. I hit my personal goals, very humble goals. Starting off 2020, pretty good. Funny enough, some of the most popular items that I had out there were the reflective jacket, which is now available. You can check that in the description below. And I had a few samurai tees left over that I was able to get out there. So those may be making a comeback. If you are interested in them, let me know down in the comments below. Might have to bring them back. So, in my humble opinion, this is hands down the best Adidas Yeezy ever made. Hands down. And I'm not saying that, like, it's just my opinion, but I'm not saying that lightly. I'm a huge fan of the 750s. I've had a couple pairs of these 350s, and I have a pair of the 700s. Even though I was hating on them at first, I know. But still, this shoe is top notch, like design wise and comfortability. That being said, let's see what they look like on foot. It doesn't look like a chunky shoe when you see it on foot, but it is a part of that chunky shoe trend, which, sad to say, it's here to stay, and I don't think it's going anywhere anytime soon. It seems like all shoe companies have adopted some kind of iteration of this chunky shoe trend, and it is what it is at this point. It's just who makes the best one, and this one is top of the line. I went up a half size to a size 10 with these, and these shoes do run a little snug. So if you're thinking about getting these, go up a half size if you can. The laces are hidden. So here's an example of what they look like tied and what they look like loose. Kind of split between the two. I think I might just go with the tied option because it doesn't look too much different from the loose option. But one of my favorite details about this shoe is this U-shaped collar. Now, this U-shaped collar, it adds a lot of comfort that you never really thought about before, because it's not an obstruction. It kind of goes and flows with, your ankles as you're walking. So whoever thought of that over at Yeezy brand, don't move. It just adds to the overall comfort of the shoe. So it is a welcome addition detail wise. And as you know, if you've been here on this channel for a while, you know I love the details. I think one of the most shocking differences between his previous runs with Adidas is that he did not use boost cushioning material. There is no lack of comfort at all in the shoe that I've experienced so far, and I have several of the Boost Yeezys. I have Ultra Boost, and these are just as comfortable. So there you have it, guys. That is the review, unboxing, and on foot of the Adidas Yeezy 700 V3 Azil. Honestly, it's the best shoe that Kanye has made with Adidas. Now, nothing is ever touching the Nike Air Yeezy run that he had. That is like top tier. Like, nobody's touching that, and nobody's comparing those two. But his run at Adidas, these 700 V3s are it. And if you want a pair, I highly suggest, if you're willing to pay for them, grab a pair, because this is his best shoe. This is his best shoe with Adidas, period. I don't know if he's gonna even top this. I know he's coming out with that, that Crocs lookalike or whatever, which, I mean, it might be a hit. I don't know if that's gonna be where I'm going with it, but that's the direction he's going. I appreciate the sustainability that he's doing, because that's what these top tier, wide producing manufacturers should be doing. They should be making their products more sustainable and making the environment better. But this shoe right here, this shoe is the best, hands down, that Kanye West has done with Adidas, in my personal opinion. Everybody's opinion varies, but my personal opinion, these are it. So with that being said, bring this video to a close. If you liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you plan on copping these shoes, please let me know. And if it's your first time and you made it all the way through, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you here next time. Peace.